Good morning, everyone. Have you already recapped the old sounds and tricky words with Miss George? If you haven't, make sure you do, and make sure you're saying the words and sounds out loud so you can practice. Are you ready for today's sound? Before we do, let's recap the last phonics lesson we had. We looked at the letter Y and two sounds that it makes. It made the Y sound. Yes, yellow, yet, yawn. Do you remember the other sound it made? What sound did it make in these words? That's right, it made the I sound. Sky, Y, reply, dry. Y, I, y, I. Today, we're going to learn two more ways of saying this sound. So the letter Y makes 4 different sounds. It's tricky to remember, but hopefully you'll start to feel more confident after these lessons. Y, I. It also makes I, E, I, E. Can you do it with me? I, E, I, E. So, can you think of any sounds with the I sounds? I. Any words with the I? Here's some that have the I sound with the letter Y. Do you know what this place is? What's this? Let's look at this one first. Where are these people? They're in the gym. Sound it with me. J, I, M. Gym. Your turn. Well done. The I sound is spelt with a Y. Very confusing. What's this lovely piece of rock? What do we call that? Do you know? That's right, it's a crystal. Can you sound it out with me? K, R, I, S, T, O. Crystal. Your turn. Can you sound out each sound and then blend them together? Good. What are these things called? You find them in Egypt. They are pyramids. Sound it out with me. P, I, R, A, M, I, D. Pyramid. Now it's got 2 I sounds. One of them is spelt with a Y, and one of the I sounds is spelt with an I. Very confusing, but hopefully you'll remember. Can you have a go at sounding it out by yourself? Ready? P. Good job. Oh, now this is a hard one. This is a picture of a Greek myth. M, I, th. Myth. Your turn. Good job. So, here are some examples where the Y makes the I sound. Gym, crystal, pyramid, and myth. Can you think of any words that have the E sound, spelt with a Y, normally at the end? Let's look at this big smiley face. This person must be very... That's right, happy. Sound it out with me. H, A, P, E. Happy. Your turn. Good, the Y made an E sound. This person looks like he's finding something very funny. Ready? F, A, N, E. Funny. Your turn. Good. Now, this granola bar, if I eat it, it's very crunchy. K-r-a-n-c-h-e. Crunchy. Your turn. Good. Something is very smelly. Sound it with me. S-m-e-l-e. Smelly. Your turn. Good job. Can you see now that the letter Y is used for the E sound, normally at the end of a word? Happy, funny, crunchy, smelly. Let's see if you can use your new knowledge of the Y sounds to read these sentences. Are you ready? If you need more time, press pause. The hairy man went to the gym. I've got my hairy with the E sound at the end. And I've got my I, gym. Hairy, im. Can you read this one? Can you spot the sounds? The crystal, I-stal, was inside the pyramid. The crystal was inside the pyramid. One last one. Can you read this sentence? That's a funny smell, shouted the happy man. I've got my E sounds. E, I, 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 E, E. Test time. Grab your whiteboard. Let's see if you can spell these words. Can you hear the I or the E sound spelled with the letter Y? Good luck. Are you ready? Pause the video if you need more time. Your first spelling is myth. Myth, like a Greek myth. If you'll start sound out. I. Number 2. Scary. If you're stuck, sound out. S-k-e. Hard one, that one. Number 3. Lucky. Oh, this one has 2 letter Y's, and I wonder if you can spot where they go. There's an E and an I sound. Your 4th spelling is mystery. Pause the video so you can really sound it out. I-st-ry. And your last spelling, number 5, is pyramid. Pyramid. Are you ready to have a go at the sentence? I think it is funny when the gym is smelly. I think it is funny when the gym is smelly. Can you write that sentence? I think it is funny when the gym is smelly. Let's see the answers. Can you mark them? Your first spelling was myth. M-Y-T-H. Your second spelling was scary. S-k-a-r-y. Scary. S-C-A-R-Y. The E sound. lucky. L-A-K-E, lucky. L-U-C-K-Y, tricky one, the E sound at the end. Oh, I wonder if you got this one. This was really mean of me. It's got 2 letter Y's. We've got the I sound and the E sound. M-I-S-T-E, mystery. M-Y-S-T-E-R-Y. Number 5 was pyramid. P-Y, oh, I need to sound it out first. P, oh, P, I, R, A, M, I, D, pyramid. P-Y-R-A-M-I-D. I wonder what your score was. Pause the video so you can check the spellings for the sentence. Funny when the gym is smelly. Did you find all the I and and I sounds? An E sound, sorry. E, I. E, I. Upload a photo to show your teacher how you got on with today's test time. Well done, everyone!